Hi everyone, I'm Matt with Vism, and this is another FocalPoint Software video. Today we're going to be talking about salespeople. All right, so salespeople maybe isn't something you think about all the time when you think about rental software, but FocalPoint does a very good job of allowing you to manage all aspects of your business, including your salespeople. So your staff, right? If you have salespeople on your staff, do they work on commission? Are they keeping track of their sales? Are you able to set quotas for them? Can you do that with the rental software you're using now? Do you have those capabilities to monitor and to manage these aspects within the business? So let's take a look at how you do that within FocalPoint. So right here, I want to point off, when I go into the customer center here, I've got a tab for salespeople. I've got that open right here. All I need to do is just go right in here, and I can choose my salespeople that I have in here. I can also easily add a salesperson. But as I go in here, and I'm just going to click on this one here, I can see their information. I can see what store they belong to. Could be multiple stores as well. But then I can also go down and set commission rates and commission types. So how about being able to set up different rates for rentals or new sales or merchandise, things like that. And it is so crucial. They're probably, if you have salespeople that are on commission, they're probably not just making a straight commission across everything, right? So you have the ability now to monitor this and to set those commission rates. How about quotas? Do you set quotas for your salespeople, and would you like to be able to? And now you can. So I can go in here and set a quota for the salespeople and then track that, and you can see just what that looks like along the way. You can also see some other items in here like callbacks and call notes, stuff like that. So obviously that kind of falls in line with the CRM that we're not going to get into on this video. But I can see a history as well of open orders, any notes, any closed orders, all that stuff I can see right here within the salesperson file. So it's something else I want to show you too. So within that, think about this. Your salespeople probably have certain customers that they work with, and those customers work with your salesperson exclusively, right? So you have the ability now to go into the customer file here, into customers, and I've got a customer open already. It's Hall Construction. And within the detailed information tab, you have the ability to, you see this sales split here. You can assign salespeople to certain customers. And maybe it's one person, and they'll get the commission on everything, or it could be two salespeople. So I could add a second one in here, right here, and I could choose the split, if it's going to be a 50-50 split, or just what that's going to look like. So you can set that in here. All right, now another way that you can do that as well is on a contract by contract basis. So here again, I've got an open order, I've got a rental contract that I have open, and I'm right in here in the options tab. So as you look here, you can see again the salesperson in here, and I can add Mike on here. I can also, if I need to, add a second person and then decide what that split looks like. But so if this customer isn't assigned to this salesperson already, then they are going to be able to earn the commission on that, again, on a contract by contract basis. Guys, listen, so many more capabilities within the software, and my question to you is, can your current software do this? Do you have the capability to monitor this? There's also reports you can pull on that too, so don't forget that. I mean, there's other ways that you can track their progress and monitor what their sales activities look like. So if you'd like some more information on this, or to hear about any of our other features, please give us a call, shoot us an email. We would love to hear from you and love to talk to you about FocalPoint software. But until then, that's all the time we have for today. Again, I'm Matt, and this is FocalPoint Software.